I apologize for the clickbaity title, but you're here, so let's get straight to it. This exercise I'm about to share with you, you can do anywhere. At home, in the office, in the supermarket even. And you can also do it any time of the day. It's an easy way to recenter and slow down. Here's what you do. We're going to use 4 of our 5 senses. Sight, hearing, smell and touch, in that order. They each get 15 seconds of our attention. Wherever you are, begin by looking around. What do you see? Take in the colors, the people, the objects. Really focus on what you see, ignore any other sensory input for now. Then, after 15 seconds, switch to hearing. I recommend closing your eyes. What sounds can you discern? Listen closely. There might be traffic noise, conversations, running water, a bird chirping. Take it all in and make a mental note of it. Next, switch your attention to your nose. What can you smell? In nature, it might be petrichor, which is the pleasant earthy scent produced by rainfall. Or the sweet smell of fried onions coming from the hot dog stand. Even something nondescript as a well-ventilated office is worth taking notice of. For the last 15 seconds, switch to touch. Feel the surface of whatever is in front of you. Use the tips of your fingers to explore it. Or if there's a small object, you can even wrap your hand around it. What does the texture feel like? Is it rough, soft, or smooth? When a minute has passed, bring it all together. Take in your environment through these 4 senses simultaneously. When was the last time you were so deeply aware of your surroundings? Often we feel rushed because of our racing mind, which is always busy, ruminating about the past or projecting into the future. This exercise, however, forces you to get out of your head and become present, even if it's just for 1 minute. So I challenge you to do this today. Use your 4 senses to take in your environment and notice how this practice slows you down, even if it's just for a moment. If you want to learn more about slow living, subscribe to see more videos on my channel. Good luck with slowing down, have a great day, and I hope to see you next time. Then, after 15 seconds, switch to hearing. Why am I pointing to my nose? Or the sweet smell of fried onions from the hot dog stand. Hot dog. It's not snatch. Why am I saying dags?